Hello all. I have a situation with wall plugs here that the wall plugs have all pulled out, and I'm presume they're either too small or I don't have any wall plugs left. So I want to show you how we can remedy the solution. Say you're in a position where you don't have any wall plugs. So let's first take these old wall plugs off, and then I want to show you what we're going to do. Now this wall plug has broken into little bits. It looks in very poor shape, so I'm going to try and make a wall plug out of this milk bottle. So I'm going to simply cut this milk bottle and then I'm going to roll it tightly together, and I'm presuming this is going to work as a wall plug. That piece of plastic from a milk bottle into the wall, and I'm going to cut it flush. So now it's cut fairly flush, and then I'm going to put a screw into it. Well, that's in. It's not coming out. So let's roll this up. So I cut it off here. So there is our next one. And now this door can swing again. And so that was done with just simply using plastic from old milk bottles serving as wall plugs.